Alright everybody, we have a great product here to review for the Nintendo Switch. It's a 4-port Joy-Con charger. And I want you guys, when you have a bunch of Joy-Cons and extra ones and you need to charge them, this is the best solution where you can just do that, where you can keep playing and charging the other set. Let's check it out. So we have our charging base with all four from the same time. Very simple to click and plug it in. Just have your USB-C, plug in your C cable, you can plug it into your charger, and boom, you have all these. They charge properly, they have the right algorithm that charges the charging Joy-Cons just perfectly. They fit in nice and snug in here. They're easy to click. They're labeled left and right on here, so you know which one goes in which place. So it's very well thought out, and it just easily just comes out like that. So let's dive in and let's take a look what's on the inside of this, how it's made. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. And we separate it out. Actually, very thoughtful. They put a weighted pad in the base to help keep it down, which is very thoughtful. And we see we have our circuit board right here. So it's well designed. It's got its C port right here, right onto the board, so it's a one-piece design. Let's take it apart here. And let's take a look at our board here. Alright, this comes out, a one-piece design. You guys can see, nice and solid mount so it doesn't break easy. The port boards are soldered. They have, if you look right here, very thick planes right there, so these actually hold in place so they don't get broken easy. So I think they did a very good job. You got your LEDs, you got your controller chip and everything. I got to give it to Yezro for doing a really good job with this. I think that this is fantastically designed. And normally you see these are very cheap and very flimsy, but I would definitely go out and buy one of these if I were you guys. All right, so you guys got to see the insides and the outside of this. Yezro did a great job, very well built. It's very they put weighted on it. I'm very happy with the design that I've had. They've made nothing but good products when it comes to the Nintendo Switch. So definitely go check it out. The 4-in-1 charging dock for the Nintendo Switch, Yezro. Check out the link below. So we're going to do another giveaway. You guys can subscribe to the channel, like and make a comment down below, and click on the link, and you guys get a chance to win this. Have a great day and good luck.